If you're looking for a good quality microphone, then look no further, because Fifine has you covered. This microphone is Amazon's top-rated microphone. For only $80, you get a microphone with attractive RGB lighting, and not only that, they also include a boom arm and a pop filter. They are setting you up for your own personal audio studio. But is all that worth it for that price tag? Let's find out. So now we'll be unboxing the A6T USB gaming microphone kit. Comes in a nice cardboard box. As we open it up, it has a user manual. It's wrapped up in some foam padding for nice protection. So here we have a USB Type-C cable to connect to your computer or wherever else you're connecting it to. This is the pop filter. It is removable and you can attach it on and off on the mic. This is the mic itself with a shock mount. The shock mount is attached on, so you cannot remove that. This is the boom arm clamp. This clamps onto your desk to hold the boom arm. And this is the boom arm. The simple boom arm does the job. Pretty good quality. Has 4 springs attached. It is sturdy. Nothing else included in the box. This is everything you need. Setting up the A6T is a breeze. The plug-and-play design meant I could start recording or streaming within minutes. First off, the design and features of the A6T comes with a sleek body. It is made of plastic but has a premium feel to it. The adjustable arm is a nice touch, allowing you to position the microphone exactly where you need it. The shock mount that is attached to the microphone is designed to minimize any unwanted vibration or handling noise during your recordings. The audio quality is impressive. It delivers clear, crisp audio sound that enhances the overall experience. The cardioid polar pattern captures sound from the front of the mic while minimizing background noise. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want to make sure that their voice takes center stage. So at the bottom of the mic, we have the gain knob. If I turn the knob all the way to the left side, it will lower the background noise, which lowers your voice as well. So if you don't want any of that background noise to be heard while you're recording, you just turn the knob and it will lower any background noise, including your voice. So this will be all. So that's how it sounds. So now as I turn the mic volume all the way to the right, my voice is getting louder, but also is the background noise. So I will turn this all the way up and I'll let you hear. So that's all the noise that's going on in the background. Turn this a little bit lower. So hopefully you guys could hear. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below if you like how that sounds. Another thing I'd like to point out is although it doesn't come with customizable RGB, it does have a feature that when you mute the mic, just by tapping the top of the button, the RGB lights do turn off, showing you that the mic is muted. So I will do an example just so you guys can see. So that was muted. It's a very convenient feature. If you quickly need to run somewhere or someone starts talking to you, it's just a quick little, and then you're back at it. The adjustable arm is a great feature. It allows you to adjust the arm to whatever position you need it. Shock mount is designed to minimize any vibration noise when you're doing a recording or gaming. If you accidentally hit the mic, it should minimize a lot of that vibration sound. So I will do a test for you. So I'm going to hit the mic here. I'm moving the mic around. You can see it's very Very easy and simple to move around. If you want to put it away, you just fold it up and then you fold it back. So I'll do a quick little proximity test for you. So this is me speaking directly at the front of the mic. I will back away from the mic to show you how well it captures my voice. I'm speaking from all the way back here. This is about 30 centimeters, I would say. If I speak at the side of the mic, it will capture a little bit of my voice, but only capturing it from the front. So it's a lot lighter. So this is me, how I sound from behind the mic, and then I work my way back to the front. I feel like that's a really great feature. Also, that helps with cutting out your surrounding sound and background noise. After spending some quality time with the Fifine A6T Ampligame mic, I do think this is a great mic for people looking for a budget microphone that gives you all the essential needs that you need for recording a video, gaming, or streaming. The plug-and-play setup makes it very convenient, easy to use, and incredibly user-friendly. If you'd like to know more about Fifine's products, links will be in the description. Go check them out. So if you're looking for a microphone, I recommend you check out Fifine A6T Ampligame mic. You will not be disappointed. If you like this video, then you will like this microphone. After using this, I could say the quality is great, the sound is great. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.